Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make privacy on Facebook. Why is Facebook privacy important? If you choose to share things publicly on Facebook, anyone with an account will be able to find and view your Facebook information, post and activity. You could be sharing personal information you would rather keep private, like your date of birth or address. So most important, Facebook privacy is in this world. So aware about the Facebook privacy information. So in this video, I would like to share how to make your privacy on Facebook from your mobile phone to protect your Facebook details, everything. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Facebook application. So this is my Facebook application. So this is my user details, everything. So anyone can view all details about my personal information, everything. So I want to protect my Facebook details, everything. So what I should do? On your right hand side corner you will find three lines. So just hit the button. Automatically just scroll down slowly, you will get a setting and privacy option. So just hit the button, automatically it will direct you to the setting, privacy shortcut and your timeline, everything. Just click the setting option. There will be a different kind of setting you should do before you enter into Facebook, before you post information. So there will be a personal information, translation, post, ads and payment, everything will be there. There will be a security option and lightly if you scroll down you will get privacy settings. So here you will find a profile locking. Just hit the button, automatically you will get how lock is working. So only friends will see the photos and post stories on your profile. So we need to lock my profile. What I should do? Here there will be a lock your profile. Once you click lock your profile, your profile will be locked. Yes, it's securely locked. You locked your profile, so only your friends can see for the photo, post and stories. So this is most important step you need to follow. Whether you are into the social media, you need to identify so who are your friends and those who wants to see your profile and all the details, because your social media details is hackers and everyone can look into that. So you need to look how to protect your profile pictures and everything. Yes, there will be a privacy setting option is available. Once you click a privacy setting option, so you will get a different kind of privacy shortcuts and manage your profile. Every details will be listed out. So who can see the people page listed you follow, the public or private or only friends, and you can choose according to your needs. So who can see the people page and list of following, you can choose as a public or friends or friend expect and specific friend or only me. You can choose according to your needs. So this is the most important. So limit who can see the past post, whether you set your past post also you can limit according to your need. And who can see my stories, only the friends or only to you or only to your particular friends. So you can choose according to, for example, if I choose the custom, I can choose the friends those who need to see my stories. So I can protect myself so without a public view, so I can able to protect myself as a thing. So single click everything will be changed as a privacy model if I lock my profile means. So you need to lock your profile. Your social media information are most powerful weapon for the hackers. So you should lock your profile. Your privacy is most important nowadays. So everyone are in online. So you need to get all the details, as well as you can block the people, those who don't want to disturb you. You can add the people and their email ID. You can, if they are disturbing you means, you can block the people and you can lock the profile and you can lock the location, active status, everything. So whether see when you are active. So if you want protect that, you can remove this option. So you will be turn off all the things. So that is most important. You need to lock your profile so you can contact your personal friends and you can have a brief details about the Facebook. So Facebook is a social media, it's a very secure one. You need to secure yourself so that you can able to get all the informations with a Facebook. So this is an easy model. If you want to unlock that option, means just to go to the same setting option what I told you. From your home button, just hit the button to the menu and go to the settings. Once you click the settings option, there will be a privacy settings. Just click profile locking. So your profile is locked now. So if I want to unlock this option, view as no one can see this. So if you want to unlock this, you can unlock this. So your profile is unlocked. So unlock your profile is available here. Once you click means your profile will be unlocked. So you can unlock your profile. Many people see the photos, profile, everything. So you should not give this option. So your social media is your powerful weapon for you. So you can share your information with your friends only. You should lock your profile using this option. If you like this content and video, please share with your friends and like this video and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thank you, dear friends. Have a great and good day.